Hey, what's up, Mustache Traders? Just here to cover some of the analysis that we have in the latest alerts, kind of cover any of the, trading that happened today. Sorry for the no mid-video, day update video that I normally do, but we didn't really open or close, a ton of positions or anything crazy like that, so I was just kind of chill to the end of the day video. But we ended up closing BNGO for about 180%, and let's start with that one, I guess, and then we'll move on. So here on BNGO, we had an entry here at this candle in the squeeze. We ended up picking up more contracts here and here. We didn't alert that, so the alert was just based off of the percentage from this candle. So over 180% up to the high of day when we alerted to exit that position. So very good job. What I will be looking for next is a kind of slowdown really in price, and then see if we can get it to range trade or not. But you may see it gap up one more time. I don't know. It might have that much momentum going for it, but definitely okay to take 180% after we held that long. If you scaled out, awesome. But I only had one more left after we took 3 contracts on that. So very nice move on that. Some of the plays. TXN too. Let me cover that. So TXN was a position that was called out, and we have now held it through today. As you can see, it still held over our range. Market's looking good to maybe move higher, so we'll see if that can work out or not. Which I'll go over the market at the end of this too. But as you can see, TXN holding over our line, so we didn't cut losses on that yet. Still looking good. Roku was one of the posted new alerts. As you can see, Roku pushed over today, very nice. But the big analysis is going to be off of the daily time frame. We really like the star formation after it kind of broke out, kind of range traded, gave that exhaustion, and now we've kind of just range traded, moved over. I really like the positioning on Roku, so very good if you picked that up. CRON, I'm a really big fan of. Finally broke over that 92. As you can see, I was doing my 50% trick you guys always see me do. And we ended up actually kind of bouncing off of that 50% line, so very awesome. And also right over 9, so that's really what I wanted to see. So if you're in that play, awesome. We have a little bit of time on that for July 16th, so very good hold on that. AAL, also looking good. My friend posted that one. But what he's looking for here is the constant rejection that it keeps giving off right here. So he's looking for another move down on that. So if you see under 24s, guys, your position's going to be looking really good. One more thing I wanted to go over too was SUNW. So this is another open position. This is one of my last positions that we opened last month going into this month. Just one of those longer holds. And as you can see, it has just been, slowly moving up ever since then. But my big thing here, though, is, what is the rest of this sector doing? And the rest of the sector actually look like it's about to pick back up even more. So if you're still in this play, you're actually probably about to be part of a bigger winner. If it ends up not being a bigger winner and just kind of pushes up here, we take profits and then it retraces, we'll get another re-entry over here somewhere. But this is still looking overall really, really, really good for the September expirations that we called out. So if you guys are in all that, awesome, good work. But let us know if you guys need any help, or if you're having any, fun with these alerts, or if you want to know anything else, or if we're not explaining something good enough, or if you want us to go over anything, let us know in the comment section below. I really want to help out. But let's cover the market real quick and where we're at in correlation with everything. So I am bullish, but I just want to be realistic. We are kind of in a 50-50 scenario, but I'm going to give you to it straight. Okay, so here we go. All-time high is the only thing that's above SPY. The last level that it kind of broke over, its hill over here at 42.25s, it already kind of pushed over and we sat on top of today. The only other levels and supports are from the other hill point over here at the 4200s, and then the 4215s, in which we range traded under all of last week and kind of really the last week and a half. But as you can see, that's really all we have left to push higher. If we were to drop in range trade, it really wouldn't be crazy as long as we stayed above the 4200s. I really still think we're super bullish in that scenario as long as we kind of stay up in that area. So that's what we're looking for on SPY. On Nasdaq, it's in a different positioning. So you saw how I said SPY was only under the all-time high. Well, Nasdaq's a little bit different. It's one step after. Okay, so you see how there's another hill point over here at 13,820. That's the last resistance before all-time high resistance over here, where there's all these pretty emergent candle resistances in which we have to get above to make another all-time high. So as you can see, we're one step behind on Nasdaq, but it being tech-related, it can totally just jump insanely in one day while SPY is having a good day. So you could really see a new all-time high on both in the same day still. So still looking to see if we get that or not. I really do think that's what we're going to get pretty soon. But if we don't, and we do get a retracement, we'll take the take the opportunity there to get another trade opportunity. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please again drop a like and comment on this video, and I hope you all enjoy everything.